Hi, I'm Jordan Nobbs and I play for the Lionesses, the England women's football team, and I'm challenging you to make a healthy portable lunch.
Lionesses will accept your challenge. We're going to make a grilled salad. First you need to wash the vegetables. Eating vegetables is good because it gives us minerals. Next, dash the cucumber. After that, griddle the aubergine.
Turn on the pan until it's smoking hot.
We need a healthy, balanced diet to stay fit for your next game. Carefully cut the lemon. Ooh. And squeeze the lemon juice into the jug.
I'm doing it.
You eat fruit because it fights diseases.
Add a dribble of white wine vinegar.
Next we put the ingredients in the jar in layers. Feta cheese is dairy to make your bones stronger, ready for any tackle. Finally pour in the marinade. This healthy salad will make the lionesses roar.
Well done, you smashed the Lioness Lunch Challenge. Your food looks amazing and it sounds really healthy too. Thanks, now I'm ready to take on anything.